Assalamualaikum, I am Luthur Rahman Shimul, ID 2521121C. Today I am going to talk about employee motivation and job performance in Bangladesh manufacturing sector. The manufacturing sector, especially the ready-made garment industry, they plays a very important role in the economy of Bangladesh. It contributes a large portion of export earning and provides employment to millions of people. Because of this, employee performance is very important for success of this sector. However, the industry faces several challenges such as labor unrest, high employment turnover, low productivity, and poor working conditions. So, it is important to understand what motivates employee and how motivate affect their job performance. The study focus on two types of motivation: intrinsic motivation and extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation means doing work for personal satisfaction, like enjoying the job of or feeling proud of the work. On the other hand, extrinsic motivation comes from external reward like salary, bonus, and job security. The study also considers some employee theories like Maslow's hierarchy needs, Herzberg two-factor theory, and self-determination theory. These theories help explain how and why employees become motivated. In this research, data was collected from 450 manufacturing workers in area like Ashulia, Gazipur, and Sabar. The analysis was done using structural equation modeling, also known as CSSEM. The findings show that both intrinsic and extrinsic motivation have a positive impact on job performance. However, intrinsic motivation, such as salary and working condition, has a stronger influence in a developing country like Bangladesh. Another important factor is the work environment. A safe, clean, and supporting workplace helps employees very motivated and perform better. In fact, the study found that the work environment plays a mediating role between motivation and job performance. In conclusion, employee motivation is very important for improving job performance in Bangladesh manufacturing sector. To improve productivity, factory owners and policy makers should focus on better salaries, good working condition, and positive work environment. Thank you.